Hi, and welcome to the Trafalgar St James. Located adjacent to the famous Trafalgar Square, rooms range from queens to king rooms. There are also doubles and 3 signature suites. The hotel also boasts meetings and event space, 2 stylish restaurants and a rooftop bar with London skyline views. So let me show you the Trafalgar St James experience. A little secret, this is my favourite room. Shh, room 203. Here at the hotel, no expense has been spared. Everything is included. Your bar and exquisite in-room details. If relaxing and unwinding is more your style, why not make use of our spacious bathrooms?
Escape the hustle and bustle of central London in Brockwell, our vibrant restaurant and bar, serving up British cuisine, draft beers and an array of cocktails.
Welcome to the Rooftop.
A place where you can enjoy London's iconic skyline and your favourite cocktail after a long day.
The cuisine up here is Asian inspired. We do everything from small dishes to larger plates, and we have a huge array of cocktails to choose from. If a more intimate space is what you're after, why not take advantage of the private dining room?